Good afternoon, all my yarny friends. Hi, it's me, Teresa McKelvey, the Yarn Shop around the corner, and I just realized that my camera is a little crooked. Sorry there. Anyway, hi. So good afternoon. Like I said, I don't usually do afternoon videos, but I was like, shop was kind of quiet, and I thought there's some things I need to tell you. So I thought, well, I'll just do a video real quick. I'm just going around everywhere. So hopefully I won't forget to talk about these in a minute. I'm gonna lay them down. Okay, so anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day. I want to remind you about Fiber Fridays. It'll be going on tomorrow from 10 to 12. Come on in to the shop, hang out, sit down. We're going to talk about anything. We will work on anything, and it's just a fun time to hang out and be with yarny friends. And so I want to invite you and remind you we do that every Friday from 10 to 12. And we do a variety of projects. There's some people that crochet, some cross stitch, some knit. We do all kinds of different things. And so some people spin, some people just sit and hang out and talk. And so I just want to remind you tomorrow, every Friday, 10 to 12, please come out for Fiber Fridays and hang out with us. Okay, so then the next thing I want to talk to you about is our art installation project. Now, I forgot to grab my book, but if you want to look up what I'm kind of talking about, it's yarn bombing. But we decided not really to use that yarn bombing because the term, because it just doesn't seem very it just doesn't seem great to be using it in our climate of what's going on right now. So if you want to find out and understand what yarn bombing really is, hashtag yarn bombing. Look it up on Pinterest. Look it up on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you look at things. Google it. It'll tell you all about it. But we're calling it a yarn art installation. And so I have two ways that you can get involved. We're doing all of downtown Dadeville on the square and off the square of businesses that will allow us. And I'm not going to let you know. It's going to be all for our June 11th Knit in Public Day, which we're going to do unveil it right before that. And we're going to do knit in public day. We're going to do crochet in public, cross stitch in public, whatever you want to do, fiber arts in public. So we're going to do this yarn art installation. Teresa's got to slow down and breathe. Sorry. We're going to do a yarn art installation, yarn bombing for that event. So here's how you can be involved. You can donate yarn, which is any kind of bright colors or a particular color you want. Don't get expensive yarn, just get some acrylic. Donate. You can donate yarn. You can buy yarn and go ahead and start making different pieces. You can knit, you can crochet different pieces together. You can do a bunch of squares. So you can start donating the yarn, you can start donating your pieces that you make, and then you can volunteer to come help us when we all dress in black and go at night. I don't know if we're going to do all that, but I want to. But go that evening and just spray it all over the square so that morning everybody wakes up and, oh, it's been beautized. Beautized? Anyway, I'm a little bit excited about this. So, what is going on in my... Sorry, I should have... Anyway, so that is the yarn art installation. If you want to be involved, you may donate yarn, or you can go ahead and start making your pieces. Like I said, it'd be all kinds of pieces like this to put out all around the square. And I just think it's going to be so much fun to really show Dadeville and the people driving through around the square, to make it to the lake. We're here. We love our town, and we beautify it, and we want to spread the joy, spread the smile. Okay, so the next big thing, I'm sorry, I don't know what kind of ads I'm showing back there, sorry. Okay, so the next big announcement is really not an announcement for me. It is for all my Auburn Opelika peeps. I don't know if you're aware, but a yarn shop has opened in your area. The name of it is All Strung Out. Her name is Laura, I have not gotten to go and actually meet her in person, but I have spoken to her. I've texted with her. I've talked to people who've gone and I've spoken with her. They say she's a lovely person, has a lovely shop. So I can't tell you exactly where it is. It's in the Midtown Manners, I think. So anyway, but I do plan on going down, doing a tour of the shop, interviewing her, and letting you see what she's got and what she's all about. And so I just want to offer a great big welcome to the fiber community and to all of our little corner of the world here to say hi, welcome. We're so glad you're here. And hey, please go in and see her and say, Teresa sent me. She did a video and she said you're here. And we're just so excited you're here. And so please go in and let her know that Yarn Shop Around the Corner, Teresa sent you. And go check her out. It's all strung out. Look up on Instagram, Facebook, and then go there. If you're in Auburn, Opelika, go check it out. So for those of you that don't know, Auburn, Opelika is about 35 minutes from us. So all you people just go check it out, and then we will see you here in the shop sometime soon, I hope. So don't forget, art installation project. If you want to get involved, you could donate yarn, you could start making up some stuff, and then you can volunteer to be a part of the actual putting it together committee. And so that's all I got for you today. I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in the yarn shop soon. Okay, bye.